Jurassic pine tree.
What you got there, Abby?
Come on.
Come on, we are.
Tree.
Oh yeah, that's a nice tree, huh?
That one.
This one.
That one.
This one. You like this one?
What's that?
Yeah, that's a lot of rocks, huh?
Ooh. Shell.
Shell? That's not a shell.
Let's go look at the bonsai trees inside.
Big roots.
Big rocks.
And good. Roots.
Oh wow, it's neat. The bottom of this leaf is
Neat.
like velvet.
Neat. Neat.
Neat. Cool. Hey, let's go this way. We already went that way. Yeah, let's go this way. Okay, we'll go do what you want to do then.